Tesla could save billions by replacing staff with Optimus robots. Tesla's near-term outlook may be clouded by political controversies and regulatory headwinds, but Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas sees a glimmer of opportunity for the electric vehicle maker. In a new note, the Morgan Stanley analyst estimated that Tesla could save $2.5 billion by replacing just 10% of its workforce with its Optimus robots, assigning each robot a net present value (NPV) of $200,000. Morgan Stanley highlights Optimus' savings potential. Jonas highlighted the potential savings on Tesla's workforce of 125,665 employees in his note, suggesting that the utilization of Optimus robots could significantly reduce labor costs. The analyst's note arrived shortly after Tesla reported Q2 2025 deliveries of 384,122 vehicles, which came close to Morgan Stanley's estimate and slightly under the consensus of 385,086. Tesla has 125,665 employees worldwide year-end 2024. On our calculations, a 10% substitution to humanoid at approximately $200,000 NPV humanoid could be worth approximately $2.5 billion, Jonas wrote, as noted by Street Insider. Jonas also issued some caution on Tesla Energy, whose battery storage deployments were flat year-over-year at 9.6 gigawatt-hours. Morgan Stanley had expected Tesla Energy to post battery storage deployments of 14 gigawatt-hours in the second quarter. Musk's political ambitions. The backdrop to Jonas' note included Elon Musk's involvement in USA politics. The Tesla CEO recently floated the idea of launching a new political party, following a poll on X that showed support for the idea. Though a widely circulated FEC filing was labeled false by Musk, the CEO does seem intent on establishing a third political party in the United States. Jonas cautioned that Musk's political efforts could divert attention and resources from Tesla's core operations, adding near-term pressure on TSLA stock. We believe investors should be prepared for further devotion of resources, financial, time attention in the direction of Mr. Musk's political priorities, which may add further near-term pressure to TSLA shares. Jonas stated. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.